2017 Yamaha XSR900. It's fitted with a full aquaprobic exhaust system with a baffling. So we're going to do we've done a full ECU remap on it, sorry. We're going to do the final run now and then we'll talk through everything we've achieved. Right, so this morning when we did the base run we had 107 brake horsepower, which is the blue line. Fueling really rich, slowed down, then sort of leaned up and then reaching back up through top end then. So with a full ECU remap we've got just over 116 brake horsepower at rear wheel. So again, nice gain of 9 horsepower there. Fueling now absolutely spot on. As you can see there, just running on the inside slightly, but that's where it wanted to run. So yeah, we've done that full ignition map. We've tweaked his electronic throttle valve just to make that a lot smoother. It should be a lot less snatchy too as well. And you can see we've taken the restrictor off there, so it's giving him sort of, I think it's like 1200 more revs top end. So yeah, should be a million times better for the customer. So if you want yours to win, please give us a call.